Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For everybody who doesn't know me, this is ShaniceBrown, and we're at the moment in my bedroom. We're in my bathroom, not bedroom. And today I've made a video especially for the ladies who have asked me how I do my makeup. I am not a makeup professional, and that's why I made this video especially for beginners, because even if I'm doing makeup for like 5 or 10 years, I guess, I'm still not a professional, so I'm in this with you guys. It's all good. So we're learning and we're thriving, and I wanted to help you guys create this spring look I made. Again, I'm not a professional, but I'm just gonna take you guys through this, how I made this look. I am giving you guys all the tools that I use and the makeup that I'm using as well. I decided to do this video in English because a few of you have asked me to also do a video in English. So you guys can pick if you like Dutch more or English more. But before we get started, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on any video. Also hit that green bell so you will get notified whenever I post one. Follow me also on my other socials, and don't forget to follow the growth code as well. If you like thriving videos, business kind of videos, career-wise videos, don't forget to also subscribe to the growth code channel. But with no further ado, let's start with creating this look. Well, hello bare face. I'm starting off with grabbing this coconut oil and this eye cream. The eye cream is from Biodermal. It's an eye cream that I love and I've been using for a while now. It's for all skin types and it helps to protect the vulnerable skin around your eyes. You only need like this tiny amount of it. You won't need like a lot of it. So I will just rub it around each eye, get every angle of the eye around it. Don't touch your eyelid actually with it, but just rub it around the skin so it will all be covered. You can find the eye cream at every drugstore. It contains vitamin C, vitamin E, shea butter. It all helps to contain your skin and to help it stay healthy around your eyes instead of get dry or anything. I wanted to use a primer as well, but because I am not an expert on makeup, I really need you guys to help me out with this one. Recommend a primer to me that is good for your skin and good for your makeup as well. Please help me out and put it in the comments so I can add this also to the collection of budget makeup. Then I will just use this coconut oil to use for my lips. I love my lips to be like moistured and not crusty or anything, so that's why I use this virgin coconut oil. You can find it at Holland & Barrett. For my Dutchies, this is the old De Tuinen. It's not that cheap though, it's a little expensive. This pot costs like 14 euros, but I highly recommend this one because it's the greatest. I also use it for my body as well, so this coconut oil is like the best I ever had. Next up, the foundation. The #1 budget brand I am using is Kiko Milano. This is the Weightless Perfection Powder Foundation number N100. And this brush I got like years ago, so I guess it's from Primark or from another drugstore. I don't know, I can't remember. The foundation has like a sponge that comes with it. You can either use that one or just use your own brush. I prefer to use my brush because I think it applies easier and better than the sponge, but everybody has their preferences. So I just dip my brush in the foundation and then apply it on my entire face. I do think that I've got a little bit of a tan during these sunny days, so I think I have to switch up to my summer makeup very soon. All done. Next up, I am going for the concealer. The concealer which I'm using is also from Kiko Milano, and it's called the Highlighting Effect Fluid Concealer. I am using number 4. I don't exactly have like a concealer method or anything. I just put it underneath my eyes, a bit around the scars that I have on my face at the moment, making something artsy about it or anything. I don't even know what I'm doing. And I will use my finger to rub it just all around. Finishing touches with the foundation brush, and then on to the next thing. What I'm going to do is my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I am using this brush, and as a budget brow pencil, I'm using the one from Primark or PS Makeup. It's the brow pencil in the shade light brown, and it comes with a sharpener and also a brush, but I'm only using that brush when I already drew my eyebrows. So I'm getting my brows in shape right now, and then I am able to start and draw my brows. I'm drawing a thin line underneath it and also on top of it, and then just going to the end to shape the brow in total, and then just color it in. Shaping it a little bit with the brush as well, and then the first side is done. Let's fix that one as well quickly. To add a little bit of eyeshadow, I am using the Leah palette from YS1I, using the light cream color for the lighter effect around my eyes. This is a drugstore palette I've got years ago. I can't even remember where, but it's probably the Douglas or another store. And then I mostly use one of these colors, the glitter brown one or the dark brown one, but now we'll use the dark one to put it on the sides and to give it a little smoky effect. Final thing for my eyes are these eye pencils. These are from Essence Cosmetics, and I'm using the black and white one. With the black one, I'm just making a tiny line above my eye just to enhance it a little bit, and then I will be using the white one for underneath my eye. Then I will be using the white one for underneath my eye. It just gives a little spring feeling to your eyes because it will look a little lighter and not that dark for this springtime. It just makes your eyes pop out. And then for the mascara, I am using the All Round Mascara Ultra Black from Catrice Cosmetics. You can find this one also at every drugstore. I just love it. The brush is great and it suits very well. It makes your eyelashes go out wide. So I just love the fact that it's just not that expensive, but it actually does its work. For my bronzer, I am using Kiko Milano again. I told you I'm a fan. I use the Flawless Fusion Bronzer number 6. And for the brush, I am using the buffing and blending brush from Hema. I love the fact that this one is from their vegan line, and I want to get more of these soon. So I'm getting a bit on my brush, and then I squeeze the brush and apply it on my cheekbones. I only want it on that area, so it's best if you just squeeze it if you don't have a brush in the shape of it. Normally I also add a little blush on it, and this one that I'm using is from H&M. Actually, I got it in a gift, and this is the Warm Desert Powder Blush. Don't forget to smile while you apply the blush. That is the best way and also the easiest way to do it. And for the finishing touch, we need a highlighter. I am using Kiko Milano again. This one is Silicone Notes Highlighter Duo in the shade Copper Lava. And I'm using this fan brush that I got at Primark. I absolutely love the fact that this highlighter has like two shades. It has like a pink rose one and a gold one, because I once tried the gold one, but it actually makes your face like so white for my skin type. So I love the fact that this one has a mixture, so you actually can blend these together and then have like a beautiful pink glowy / gold shade. It's the best thing ever, and it makes it actually look so much more natural than if you only have a gold one. As for my lips, I am a bit out of budget because I am using a MAC lipstick, which costs always 20 euros or more, but I'm using it in the shade Brave this time. I absolutely love the color, but I think sometimes it's a bit too bright for me, so I'm always mixing it with something else. That's why I'm also using Luminous Shine Hydrating and Plumping Lip Gloss. Now that's a mouthful. I can't even pronounce the original name. It's Vinish and I love it, but I will link it down below, as well as all the other products that I'm using. And unfortunately, I have lost one footage of my lip liner, which I also have used. It's from MAC. It's the Morning Coffee Pro Longwear Lip Pencil. I love this shade. It works every time, and it's like gives a really natural look if you put it underneath the gloss and on top of the lipstick. And that is the look, you guys. I hope you have enjoyed this budget spring look video. I hope that it will help you to create a spring and cheerful look even on a low budget. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you have enjoyed this, and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on any other video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you soon. Ciao!